Welcome to Factory Unlocked by MPDV, where data meets delivery. Today we are showing you how MPDV solves the top 10 problems in U.S. manufacturing.
Pain point number 10, high tariffs and trade wars. Global trade can feel a lot like rush hour traffic. One slowdown and the whole system backs up. Tariffs, sanctions, and trade disputes act like roadblocks, stalling your supply chain, driving up costs, and creating frustration at every turn. But here's where MPDV MES steps in. It gives you real-time visibility across your operations, helping you reroute before bottlenecks hit. You can see where materials are, track production progress, and make faster decisions to keep everything moving. We're talking about a potential 10% cost mitigation through smarter sourcing and production optimization. Ensure accurate compliance documentation, make data-driven sourcing decisions, and protect your supply chain against global trade challenges. The result? Lower costs, smoother operations, and fewer surprises.